Officials in New Jersey could be pumping the brakes on a plan to raise toll prices. The tolls are set to go up on the Jersey Turnpike and Garden State Parkway starting next year. CBS 2's Nick Caloway reports Democrats and Republicans are pushing back.
Just in time for Halloween, another scare for New Jersey drivers. The New Jersey Turnpike Authority, which operates the Turnpike and the Garden State Parkway, decided this week on a 3% increase in toll prices. If implemented, it would be the fourth toll hike in just 3 years.
Just another Jersey tax. That's why everybody's moving out of the state.
Drivers at the James Gandolfini service area in Montvale feel like they're getting whacked with more excessive tolls.
Just exactly where is the money going?
It's really going to put a lot of hardship on a lot of families.
Republicans and Democrats alike came out swinging against the plan. Senate President Nicholas Scateri, a Democrat, said lawmakers have been working to make New Jersey more affordable.
Cutting taxes, increasing homeowners' rebates, cutting fees and costs across the board. So this is an unacceptable proposition.
Governor Phil Murphy, also a Democrat, agrees. Murphy announced on social media that he plans to veto the Turnpike Authority's proposal, this time adding that he's not satisfied with the justification. But Murphy supported a string of toll hikes in 2020 and beyond, citing capital improvements on roads and bridges. Republican Assembly Leader John DiMaio.
You drive up costs as high as you can, and then you demand that they be lowered and look like you're saving us from yourselves. It's kind of an interesting thing that the Democrats do here in New Jersey.
Officials with the Turnpike Authority did not respond to multiple calls and emails for comment. Toll prices in New Jersey only go one way, up, so drivers should expect more hikes sooner or later. In Montvale, Nick Caloway, CBS 2 News.